Welcome, welcome everybody. Vinny Brigance here. Listen, this is an interesting point here. We're talking about commitment, and we're talking about, I'm sure if you're a smoker, you've said this, I'm sure. And if you have friends that are smoking or people you care about, you've probably heard them say it, right? I'll quit smoking when this happens, right? When it's the spring or when it's the summer or after some event or once I get a job. And because I'm 100% committed to your success, I have to point out that there's a bit of false hope in this statement, right? We know there's never going to be a convenient time to quit. There's always going to be something that comes up. And it reminds me of something Clayton Christensen said about how it's easier to commit 100% to something than 98%. And I think it was Ben Hardy who had a really good blog post about this. And he said it's because it gets rid of the back and forth thinking, right? There's no more wishy-washiness. And use a diet or exercise as an example. If you commit to going to the gym every day, you're going to the gym every day. There's no question of, will I do it today or won't I do it today? Do I feel like it? Do I not feel like it? Right? And it's the same thing with smoking. It's just like that. And so my goal here is to give you this information, and hopefully it triggers that willpower. And you make up your mind, you've had your last smoke, you're done, you're committed to your success now. If you find yourself wanting some support or wanting to learn more about my service as a hypnotist, that's always an option too. Let me know. We'll set up a 15-minute call, answer all your questions, go over pricing options. It'll be super fun, right? So I hope this gives you what you need. And the only other thing is if look at the other resources I've provided here. I'm shooting these every day and trying to get you what you need to get it done. So take care, folks.